today, of course, it's not been a unidirectional move by the market, as has been the case all through last week, at least on Thursday and Friday. But Snehi is here to highlight all the volatility, the late hour pickup by the banks, and then how that uptick also got sold into. Snehi?
Well, absolutely. So it's been yet another lackluster day for trade. If you take a look at our market, Nifty closing above that 24,800 mark, but significantly below the 25,000 mark that we saw. Nifty slip below today. A 0.7% cut coming in. Sensex also in tandem, 0.6% cut coming in on Sensex as well. Advanced decline ratio significantly in the favor of the declines today. And Nifty Bank also, if you take a look at that index, you 1.5% cut coming over there. Remember, we've seen a lot of Q2 banking updates coming in, and I'll talk about it in just a short while. But also, let's pull up the broader markets and take a look at what they have done today, because they seem to have significantly underperformed the benchmarks. You have Nifty mid cap down almost 2%. Nifty small cap seems to be the real loser here, because more than 2.5% cut coming in on the small cap front as well. But if you take a look at where some positivity was seen in the markets, just a few minutes before closing, in fact, you had slight recovery being seen on the Nifty because of HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. However, that did not hold on for too long. LTI, Mindtree, ITC, M&M, Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance are some of your handful of winners, if we could call it that, in today's trade. However, big losers today from the Nifty pack include Adani Ports, NTPC, Coal India, Adani Enterprises, SBI and Power Grid. The utilities and the PSUs did not do well at all today. But if you take a look at some other sectoral gainers and losers, you only had IT that was showing some resilience over the course of the day. Remember, this week we also kick off IT earnings. We kick off the Q2 earnings season with the IT companies. So Nifty IT 0.5% higher. All the other indices have been tanking away in today's trade. What's also important to talk about is we saw some strength coming in the market from one stock in the realty space, and that was Macrotech Developers. Good Q2 update coming in. Mixed update coming in for Titan, and we also have a lot of brokerage notes coming in. Investec has maintained a hold, Macquarie maintained outperform, Citi has maintained a neutral. Nomura has maintained a buy on Macrotech as well. But let's also shift focus and talk about the entire banking space now. Bank of India updates came in today's trading session. However, the updates were good, but the stock could not reflect the Q2 updates as well. Nomura on AU Small Finance Bank, they've maintained a neutral. Morgan Stanley on RBL Bank, they've maintained underweight. Nomura on Federal Bank has maintained a buy rating, and Jefferies on Bandhan Bank has also maintained a buy rating. So this is a roundup of all the banking updates that we've seen so far. But well, yes, none of this has in fact translated into some good news for the street today, because we continue to tank in today's trading session. Nifty around that 1 month low level coming in 24,817 thereabouts is where we have shut shop for the day.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.